Hello everyone, my name is Tejashri Kashina Jadhav and today's date is 14 July 2021 and our video's topic is methods of string. So basically what is the method? Method is a collection of a statement and it's perform the operation. So basically we see the one by one methods of this string. Then first one is method is character add. Character add means we pass it the string a b, then we first character is our a, then we get the a ASCII value, then to uppercase if we pass it our string is a combined with lowercase and uppercase, then our uppercase method is convert the our string into uppercase and to then third one is lowercase. If we pass mixed character with uppercase and lowercase, otherwise uppercase, it converts our string into lowercase, and then concat to concat. In that method we pass it as to string a b c d, and second string is a xyz, then s1 concat with s2 means a b c d concat with xyz, output is a b c d xyz. Then another method is compare to. If we pass it first string a b c and second a b c and second string n e, then it check whether it is same or not. It's given output as a true or false. Then ends with method. We pass it the hepshine as a string. Then second string we pass it the ne with any string. Then it's check the last of hepshine ne, and string 2 we pass it ne. Is if it is same then it is true, and if it is false then it give the output false. Then trim method. The trim method remove the white space between before the trim. Trim method basically we pass it the string, it remove the space before the string, and it remove the white space after the string and give the output. Then replace method. If we pass the string Pune, then we replace the P with the K, then our output is Kune. J replace with K, then our output is Kune. Then there are so many methods of used in string. Then content method. First check the ABCD our first string, then second string is ABCD. If all the parameters are same, is give the output is true. Then length method. Length is give if we pass the string string A B C D, and we length method is give us to the length of the string, length method. Then value of method, the value of method, it gives a integer, float, double, long, byte, short. That can be all it converted into a string. It can be done in the it can be operation can perform in the value method. Then we will see the multiple method of a string. So basically, string is a what is a string? String is an object that can be allowed to the character in a sequence, and that can contain alphanumerical value. For example, we take one example, alphanumerical value ABC 1 2 3 means it contains ABC and also contain values with value, and that is the alphanumeric value. In string there are multiple methods. It easy to use. There are some methods are boolean, or some methods are given the ASCII value. That can be happen in the string method. String method is a specifically string method is specifically made for the string operations method. Then we will see the multiple methods of the string. There are also buffer method of the string, and also the simple operation methods of the string. We will see the character at, code at point, code point before, code point after, concat method, content method. In a content method, we will pass the string A, B, C, and a second pass the method xyz. Then it is check the content of string A S1 and content of a string S2 are same. If it is same, then it is true, otherwise it's false. As like the other methods like content other method, length, uppercase, lowercase, value of method, character at point method. In a character at index, it given the specified element index of the given string. Then there are multiple methods can be used in a string. So methods means what? The method means basically is a statement that perform the we passed our action and it's perform that action on the method we pass. So many methods can be used in a string that can be very useful and easy to get the our output. That method are very useful for to easily get the output by using this method. String methods are multiple. That can be advantage of the string. String is a basically collection. String is a basically object that can be allowed to the character in a sequence. So there are so many methods can be present in a string. That's all about the methods in a string. Thank you.